All right, guys. So we're here, Pigeon Forge, goats on the roof. We are gonna be doing the mountain coaster. So it's gonna be lit. I'm so ready. We wanted to do this since last time we came. Right, guys, we saw this on the way back last time and we were like, yo, we need to do this. So I'll see you on a little bit, y'all. Peace out.
Get up there. Gotta get some good GoPro, bro.
Oh yeah. Let's see.
Alright, man, you over there?
Alright.
You ready to go? You know how to ride this thing?
Huh?
You know how to ride?
Yeah, forward, yeah. Yep. I got it. We got it, and then here. I don't need this shit. Throw it out. Throw it out. I don't need that shit. Yeah. Yo, we out, boy. We out, Nana.
Yeah, I'm worth the chance, man. It's not worth it.
Alright, boy. Let's go. Let's go, y'all.
Dad. Why? You take off your mask.
Have you read the
Nope.
Right, the handles on the
Yeah.
Goats on the roof. Pigeon Forge.
The handles on your side, you push them forward to go, you pull them back to slow down. Do not come to a complete stop on the track.
Alright.
Thumbs up if you can. I'm gonna laugh. You can let go. If you see a building at the top, you have to go slowly. Alright, go and push all the way forward. Pull it back, push it forward. You can let go. This hill is automatic, so you can let go.
Alright.
When you see a building at the top, you have to push forward the rest of the way.
Alright.
It'll tell you to.
Bye. You! Let's go! No brakes! Woo! No brakes! No brakes! No brakes! Dang, this thing started slowing itself down. Holy. I kind of had to pull on the brakes there a little bit. Hey, I'm holding the GoPro. No. No brakes! No brakes! What? You gotta have fun. I said we gotta have fun. No brakes. No brakes. All gas. Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so that was good.
Thank you.
No brakes.
Oh, no.
That was perfect.
Thank you, too.
I think Joe's already down.
He's coming now. He's coming now. Look, there you go.
Yeah. No, that's not Joe.
No, they already are here.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
So
guys can get your pictures.
I need to get my wallet.
yeah, I literally no brakes all the way down. So no brakes. That was so much fun. It's just when you hit the little bumps, it like hurts my
My
shoulder.
neck.
I got a video, so I
That
don't
was
know if you
good,
wanted
guys.
to edit it.
Okay, that was good, guys. So
Your mouth.
we got no brakes, bro. Boom. I had to hold this with this hand. And
Oh my God.
it was so
That
good.
was
guys.
cool.
That was
Oh.
fun. I think this one's higher than
Oscar,
Alpine.
go get your
I don't
wallet.
know. I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see, guys.
That was fun.
So we think this one was higher than Alpine, but I think Alpine was more fun. I mean, this one's more fun. So let me take this off so they can see my lips. So we made it to the Alpine coaster. We don't even know how high this one goes up. It says the highest one, but we got the Groupon voucher because you know we saving money on everything we can. You already know. We saving money. You know that's the smartest way to do it. Anywhere you guys are going, there has to be anything with money. Try and find out on Groupon. You guys will save money. Trust me. We got what 4 tickets for 20 bucks, and it would have costed us 80. No, not 80. 40. 40 over there at Goats on the Roof. So that's good. And we're gonna be going on that in a little bit. 2020 TripAdvisor. Yep. Anyway, I will see you guys when we get on the coaster. Peace.
Come back to your cars. Alright? For the guys who have baseball caps, you guys can go on here with your baseball cap, put your hat backwards. For the ladies with the baseball cap, you guys take a hole in the back.
Alrighty guys, let's go! Woo! Yeah! Come on, faster. Yeah! What the hell? It slowed me down. It's slowing me down. I'm getting too close to you. What the heck? Guys, it just slowed me down because I'm getting too close to my pops. Oh God, I'm getting too close to Dad. Let's go! Look, it's slowing me down. I get too close to you. Yeah! It slowed me down because I'm getting too close to my dad. That's so whack. I mean, I guess for safety reasons, you know? Yeah! It's slowing me down because I get too close to you. Let's go! That was good, guys. Yeah, so here's what happened, Dad. I was going... So here's what happened. I was going too fast, Dad. Slow down. So, yo, I was going too fast and it started slowing me down. Yeah. Because I got too close to Dad. So here's what, I got way too close to Dad, so it slowed me down. Yeah. That was good. So yeah, I was going way too fast and I caught up to Dad. Dang. It slowed me down. That was, yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
So yo, it slowed me down because I got too close to Dad.
That's funny.
That's so crazy.
Yeah.
So guys, it started slowing me down because I got too close to my dad. That was kind of funny. But yeah, that's the Alpine coaster for you guys. And that was a lot of fun, guys. That one, I don't know which one was better. So, which one? Which one was better?
Definitely this one.
This one?
Yeah.
This one's better?
Alpine coaster, as I predicted.
Alpine coaster, the winner, guys. Alpine coaster, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Come here. Groupon, get your tickets
pictures
cheap.
over here and over there.
Oh yeah. You ready, Nene? Alrighty, guys, let's go. Woo! Get your what? Pictures cheap, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace.